Right, today we're going to make a cucumber raita. It's a very cool, refreshing dish, side dish, which you have with rice, palau rice, chicken biryani, any kind of biryani, and vegetable dishes. Entirely up to you. Okay, we'll start with some yogurt. This there's no really real measurements to all this. You put in as much as you want. Okay, this is a plain natural yogurt. Okay, just get that. And then I've got here a whole cucumber which I grated and then left in the colander, squeezed all the juice out of it, and I'm going to add this to the yogurt. This is a medium red onion which is chopped up very fine, so add that to the yogurt and cucumber. Okay. And here we have a fresh coriander, finely chopped, and 1 green chilli. It's up to you. You want more chilies, you can have it. If you don't want chilies, don't worry, leave it out. Okay, so you put that in as well. And the spices we're going to use here, this is cumin seeds, which I've roasted in a frying pan until it's slightly golden. Then I've crushed them in a pestle mortar. This is salt and black pepper. That's all I'm going to put in this. Okay, all the ingredients are in there. Mix it thoroughly. If you had left the juice in the cucumber juice, then this would have gone really runny. Because we took all that juice out, we've got a nice thick raita. Okay, keep it in the fridge until it's time to use. Do check the salt. You might have to add a little more if you've added too much yogurt. No, that's fine. It's full of salt in this. All done. Very simple dish to make. I hope you enjoy. Garnish it with some fresh coriander finely chopped. Make it look pretty.